Hi, Ready! This is a quick video to show you how to use the web annotation tool Hypothesis. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to search Hypothesis Annotation. I know you can't see me doing that, but I'm typing it into the search bar. Okay, and here we go, and that brings up Hypothesis. And what Hypothesis is it's an extension that you can put into Chrome that makes it really easy to annotate websites so that if you don't have a paper copy of something, you can still annotate it. So this is what it looks like. You can create a free account. And once you create, and I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Once you create an account, it'll save all of your annotations. No, I don't need to save that. And once you do that, you will have a little thing in your Chrome. If you see up here, you see I have this like little like puzzle piece. That's my extensions in Chrome. If I come over here, here's my extensions. You can see I have an ad blocker, I have a screencasting, and I have Hypothesis. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to doing that turns it on. So I'm going to come over here to what is a system of privilege. This is your reading for this week. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on Hypothesis. And I'm going to come over here. I can't get it to go over far enough. Will you move? There we go. Once you're in Hypothesis, it gives you the option to annotate, and all the tools are right here. So I'm going to let's see, I'm going to start reading, and I'm going to close this so that I can see it a little better. And look, this is really important right here. Right there, he's defining what the concept of privilege is. By the way, don't just use that definition in your system of privilege reflection assignment. You need to make your own. And I'm going to annotate that. I'm just going to highlight it. And that's it. Oh, sorry, it's telling me I need to log in. But it's that simple. That it is that easy to use. So I might come over here, and here we go. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to highlight, and now it's highlighted. Okay. Let's see. I want to make a note, so I'm going to say here. I'm gonna make a note about that. So I'm going to click where it says annotate, and then you can see this little box opened up on the side here, and I can make a note. Okay, so this tool, Hypothesis, is that easy to use. It's really simple. All you need to do is, again, go here to the Hypothesis website, create an account, and then the extension will be in your Chrome. To use the extension, you come right up here to the little puzzle piece, and when you're on the website that you want to annotate, you just turn on Hypothesis. So I hope that's a useful tool. Try it out. Have fun.